Good morning, friends. This is Jenna Ambers. I'm the Assistant Director at Sky Lake Camp and Retreat Center, and coming to you a bit early this week with our virtual hike for today, this Tuesday, March 30th. It is a beautiful, glorious day, and I wanted to just show you some bits of what it is like on this bluebird, blue sky day. Behind me, directly above, is Underwood Lodge, one of our retreat lodges that you can stay in. We've had the pleasure of welcoming a number of crafting groups over the springtime and this winter who have stayed there in Underwood, and some of them have been down below here at Founders Lodge enjoying the time crafting, doing the instructions. Today is a beautiful spring day. It is windy, as you might hear, and I just wanted to start up here so that you could see some of the signs of spring that are already happening. You see here in the tree in front of me all the buds that are showing. Again, another view of Underwood Lodge. The grass is getting greener. We're nearing a time when we'll be doing some workday projects to beautify the site, get rid of our winter buildup of sand and salt, and allow the flowers to reach their blossom. Gorgeous trees. They just stand out even more so on this day of having blue sky. Today there happen to be no clouds. Founders Lodge in front of us. We'll be having lots of visitors soon as we approach summer, because we're doing our summer camp. And Matt is waving out the window of his car. He just pulled up as I began to do this video. One of the things as we approach this week, Holy Week, I've seen some posts of folks that say that the pine trees actually, as we approach Easter, show a cross on the tips, the very tops of their trees, as if they show the cross as they're reaching for the sky. And that is one of the things that I wanted to show today as well. Some of the pine trees truly do that. This one in front of us, that's a white pine, and it has a softer looking needle. It doesn't necessarily show it that strongly on this one because we're right directly underneath it, but if you look beyond this tree right here, you see how the tips of their branches form a little cross. It's a gorgeous day. I'm going to try to get down to the lake. Stay with me if we lose signal temporarily. There's a point where it gets weak. So if you see on this tree at the very top, when it focuses back in, you might see the cross. a view toward the lakeside of Founders where our memorial tryst is. Just such a beautiful day. The wind we've had recently has done its job in knocking any loose branches and twigs and such down. As we come into May and you have interest to help out, we're going to be doing work day to help prepare for summer. Here we go. We are coming down to the lake. If you noticed yesterday, I posted on my Facebook page pictures of the last of the ice. There are, you can see, I don't know that I can zoom in, but you might see way down on the far side of the lake a thin white line. That's the last of the ice here at Sky Lake. Enjoy this view. We look forward to a time when our waterfront will be active with campers and guests enjoying a boat ride or a gentle ride on a corkle. You even see some geese over there. Those might be the ducks that are making a home here this spring. Bless your Holy Week as you think about what this week means to you. We here at Sky Lake thank you for your participation in our hike. Have a blessed day. Join us on Thursday for a hike again, Thursday morning at 11 with Matt as he goes to a location around Sky Lake. May you have a happy Easter.